What's going on, guys? Good morning. A bit early today. I just wanted to do the workout before I start my day. Thank y'all for tuning in. This is probably the 10th video, 12th video. Really just trying to keep pumping out these videos. Okay, guys, we're gonna first do the NASDAQ. NASDAQ had the RSI go down. We have a kind of a plateau with the histogram on the MACD. The MACD is still a sell signal, but when that blue line comes up, it'll be a buy signal. Right now, we do have a very bullish wick on this candle. Very bullish. Right now, we're green for the pre-market, and we closed just below the 20 EMA. Oh, this is a 9 EMA. Let me switch over to the 20. I'm sure we closed over it. Yep, we closed over it. Yep, that's the default EMA people usually use. So, yep. Pretty good day. We did fall out of this ascending channel. However, I was saying that this is bearish. However, I am reading technical analysis explained. I'm learning every day, and I am a beginner in technical analysis. And I am noticing that you're supposed to, if it's 3% out of the range, then it is a bearish move. But you know how it's a buying opportunity when it falls right here, when it taps the ascending channel. Well, it's an extra buying opportunity when it falls out, and it only fell out 1%. So that was my move that I didn't take advantage of because I'm still learning every day. I'm reading. So, yep. Unless it's, so this is where the opportunity where it's like, oh, this is now bearish. If we fell right around here, if we were at 177, 178, but we were nowhere near that. We were still hovering this channel. So now when it's out of the channel, I'm already hip. I'm buying extra more. So yeah, yesterday we had that Apple event, and it was a huge sell-off. And then people were buying the dip. It was just kind of all over the place. I do have a put still active, and I'm not worried about the pre-market price. I am confident that there will be a morning flush, and I am dumping the morning flush. I'm not going to be making really too many plays. I just want to really react to an earnings call. So like if earnings already happened and then it just dumps the next day or goes up the next day, if they had a good earnings report, I'm gonna buy a long call. So like a PVTL yesterday had a great earnings report and flopped. I mean, like 20+% drop, guys. That money is gone temporarily. However, they made it open up pretty good on the pre-market. But yeah, guys, right now I just want to chill, learn more, read more, and be a better trader because I still want that 4x, that 5x opportunity by the end of this year. And I know it's possible. I mean, I've seen Amazon go up on a like AMD recently had like a 15x return on their AMD calls. Amazon, I remember 30 times the amount you would have put in. Wow, guys. Absolutely incredible. Okay, so now Dow. We're going to the Dow. Again, this was one of my more bullish charts. I did want that RSI to curl up. However, it didn't. But that's good because this stock does not do well when it's overbought. You've got to correct away from that overbought scenario. Got to. And this is what I really kind of want to do, guys. I just want to like follow something like this that is so easy. Like I just want easy trades, guys. So I might start, I'm switching up. I'm currently in my notes. You know how there's 2,000 stocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm following 9 stocks from now on. And then I'm going to add these 3 indexes, so that'll be 12, but that's the absolute max right now. When you're swamped with so many stocks, you lose yourself. You don't even know when to react because your eyes can only be in one place. So I suggest, guys, if you are trying to do swing trading, trying to learn or anything, don't follow 30 stocks. I actually deleted my stock twits for temporarily because I need to read. I don't need to scroll and talk about people who's pumping their coins and pumping their stocks and pumping, or being bearish and being too smart for their own good. I personally just need to read and become more knowledgeable. So right now I'm off Instagram, I'm off stock twits. I just need to become a better trader. So yesterday we had a doji, a lower body doji, but I wouldn't consider it a gravestone doji. We did have good buying volume, and I did recently change over to the 40 moving average volume indicator because the book that I'm reading stated that it's a very good number to have as far as a volume moving average. You do have that histogram very small in the negative, and I believe it's going to turn positive fairly soon. When that MACD turns into a buy signal, we will have better, a actual rally, actual consistent rally. Yep. So now we're going over to the S&P 500. This is again a very bullish chart. So bullish. Did not like that bounce up, correct? Hit that 20 EMA as support, and I think it's just wanting to fly. Just wanting to continue to just rise gradually. Get your, in the pre-market right now, 0.25% increase. No big deal. Yep, that again, just like the Dow's chart, the histogram at the bottom is kind of rounding out, and I believe that buy signal is going to get activated. Might be on a 7-day run, a 6-day run. We only like green days, guys. Only like green days. But I do feel like we gotta correct on the today or tomorrow, because again, we don't like that price action. We don't like that price action outside the channel. So I feel like we gotta do something. Something's gotta shake. Something has got to shake. Supposedly next week we have our tariffs happening. I don't know if it's going to be good talks, bad talks. I just would prefer to be out of this limbo, and I just would rather be in all cash and just react to something, to make that best move. Here is the SPY. RSI didn't curl up, but it did kind of plateau, and it'll probably increase. But again, these indexes do not like to be overbought. So it's right now at 60 and only has 10 more points to go up, and then we need to kind of bow away from it. Look at every time, and it's almost overbought. Every time. And when it is in the trough, in the low point, I mean, this is, when I say easy trading, guys, this is as easy as it gets. Don't even have to overcomplicate it, guys. So yeah, I'm switching gears. Let's flip the SPY call. Buy all the SPY calls in the world. Let it rise. Sell when I see that RSI too high. Buy my put. Buy my call. Sell my put. Like, it's just gonna be clockwork. What's this? It was at 290. Yeah, guys. If you are into swing trading, there's somebody in the investing group chat that I'm in, and they said that SPY is just one of those easy ones. Like, I only trade the SPY, and honestly, that QQQ is slick, too tech based. I wouldn't know what to do if we had just a random tech sell off. You got your Dow, kind of all over the place. When you did see it peak out, it would fall, but not that much. It's just kind of been one of those, not as easy as the SPY, because the SPY hits 500 companies, and I guess 500 companies do somewhat follow the fundamentals. And I just wanted to show y'all PVTL. I haven't even checked the pre-market price, but yeah, this this stock, guys. Okay, so it started out on the IPO around that $15, around that $16. Currently, the pre-market or after hours price right here, guys. This is unbelievable. This is absolutely unbelievable. Like, they dumped this all the way down to, I think, right, at least when I saw it, it was like 2.4 million shares dumped. I did see a MACD fake out right here. And then the RSI was curling up, so they really pumped this up to only dump. That's not right, guys. That is not right. I would be so upset. So upset. Look like it's hit mad resistance right here. Like, it just, this is the ceiling. Closed right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and even wicked right there, 6. Sorry, guys. Sorry. This is not for the, it's not for the weak. It's not for the weary. If you put that money in there, just know that it may win, it may lose. But this is a software company, and I just hope you just can hold and get it back. Thank y'all for tuning in. This was trying to be a quick video. Gonna go work out. Y'all have a good day. Happy trading.